Hey, it's Holly. Welcome to our summer tours here at Living It Country. Today we have a tour that we shared previously last year, and I am so thrilled to have her back. It's Stephanie from Cottage, and she has a beautiful home in South Georgia that has a very modern farmhouse feel. I love the exterior, but I love the interior just as much. So you all are going to absolutely enjoy today's video, and without further ado, let's get started.
Hey y'all, my name is Stephanie and I'm going to be giving you a tour of our modern farmhouse cottage today. We built back in 2018 on my husband's family's land. When we built back in 2018, we knew we wanted a farmhouse style home and super simple in architecture, but just kind of like it'd been here forever. So we incorporated a lot of shiplap. We used very neutral colors, and the house has a wraparound porch, which is very southern and kind of looks old with the X detailing. The house really isn't an open floor plan, but it does seem to work well for our family, with the kitchen kind of leading into the living area and then down the hallway into the master bedroom area, which I'll show you in a few minutes. And then you turn the corner and you go upstairs. So I knew whenever we designed the kitchen that I kind of wanted it to be like a focal point. And as you're walking in the front doors, it's one of the first things that you see. So we added the shiplap on the back wall and made everything super symmetrical. I wanted to do open shelving, and we really do use all of those dishes, you know, daily. The stuff on the top shelf is just decor, and it's kind of simple. I like adding the golds and the wood tones, and then whites and grays, and then like different pieces of glass. I recently added this little table in the middle, and we just did a couple bar stools underneath, and it just kind of acts as like extra seating, or you know, a space for talking while you're cooking, and just for people to gather, because everyone always seems to sort of gather in this area. And this is our master bedroom. It's painted in Benjamin Moore's Beacon Gray, and we added some antique doors that are leading into the master bathroom. This is our master bathroom, and we did Benjamin Moore's white lily paint on the walls. It's a shade lighter than the Beacon Gray. And we did a pedestal tub filler, and marble tile on the floor. And then just for a little bit of change, I like the juxtaposition of adding a little something old with all the new. So the mirrors are distressed, and they're on both sides. And then we did a towel holder, like the X's on the front porch, and added a fun chandelier. When you get to the top of the stairs, we did a fun hat wall, and this is just a wall that has hats of a lot of our family members. Some of them are our hats that we still wear to the beach, but a lot of them are from family members who have passed away. And this is just like another fun way to remember them and think about them every day whenever we pass through this way. And then this is my youngest daughter's bedroom. And we did a day bed with a trundle. She has a little study area over there and a little bookshelf. And then this is her ensuite. And we used Lily Pulitzer's Elephant Bazaar by Lee Joffa wallpaper. When you turn the corner and come down the hallway, This is our oldest daughter's bedroom. We recently redecorated it last year as she's getting a little bit older and wanted something a bit more grown up. So we did a canopy style bed and did some shears on the side. Added the Lar Park duvet cover and pillow. And then her bathroom, we also did in beadboard and wallpaper. And it's also by Lily Pulitzer for Lee Jofa. I'm not sure of the name of it though. And this is our girls' little playhouse. Kind of looks similar to our house. My husband built this about, well, probably I think the year that we moved in. And then this is another outdoor space that we like to hang out and have dinners and entertain. This is probably one of the more favorite views of the house from this side. I just feel like I love all the hips and valleys of the roof line. Just has so many different angles. And then the pergola and our old house cat Bella. I recently planted those limelight hydrangeas. They're the miniature ones. And we get a lot of rain on this side of the house especially, I guess because it's downhill, so they seem to do well this summer.
I hope you all enjoyed today's modern farmhouse tour. Let me know your favorite part in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.